Hey everyone, Dr. Kalpna Ranadive here. TMJ is one of the worst pain experienced by a majority of women. 92% of the women experience this pain. What is this TMJ pain that I'm talking about? TMJ means Temporo-Mandibular Joint. And where is this joint? It's right over here. Okay, so Temporo-Mandibular Joint, or TMD, is the other word that you hear, is Temporo-Mandibular Disorder. So for either of these disorders, Ayurveda has certain massage techniques that can help you get through the pain, especially if you're getting in a major bout of pain coming in. And those who suffer through this do experience a lot of pain, discomfort, headaches, migraines. So I'm going to show you certain exercises. Definitely know some of these points and see how you can get through the next episode that you might experience with the TMJ or TMD disorder. Right? So let's begin. So what I'm going to show you are a combination of Marma points, which is the Ayurvedic Marma points, as well as the Ayurvedic massage. And the Marma points, usually I'll point them, you hold them, you massage them into a circular stroke or in a clockwise or an anti-clockwise. So there are 3 points that you need to remember, and I'm going to show them now to you. So when it comes to TMJ or TMD, this is the area that really gets inflamed, but the pain can radiate along this bone and also behind, and then this area can get really, really painful. So the way the TMJ is, it's a ball and socket joint. So it goes inside a socket, and then as the jaw moves, it will open and it'll move and close. It'll come down and then go up, come down and go up. So as this does, there's a ligament in this area, and that can hurt a lot. Now, when that happens, there is a lot of inflammation. One of the byproducts of any inflammation is edema, and edema creates fluid. Now, when that fluid gets built up, it gets even more painful. So by knowing these points, what you're going to do is you're going to reduce that inflammation, you're going to reduce that edema, and help you get through that pain situation. Even if you're taking pain medication, this massage would help you. So what you need to know in the TMJ is this area, this is the joint, and the pain will radiate in this area. So the point that you're going to remember are, number 1 is this area, and then it can go all the way to this part. So it's called as the tragus in medical term. So this area has got 1 point, and so you're going to, if you press here, you'll find one point over there. If you open your mouth, this joint will move, okay? If you put your little pinky finger inside, and then even turn it over here, you can actually feel the joint over there. Some people may need to move the little pinky finger inside, and then they can feel it that way. So you can even get pain relief by pressing over here or putting your finger in. You can use some oil or ghee. Either sesame seed oil or ghee are usually the best oils that you can use to just lubricate your little finger so you don't hurt yourself. But by putting that right there and just holding it, you can literally hold it. And if you want to support the fingers, you can do that. Okay, so that's number 1. The second point is right over here. Okay, it's the corner of the jaw. Okay, so you've got 1 point over here, 1 point over here. Here and here. Okay, so again, you're going to massage this. Sometimes just holding on to that point would help. If you want to do both at the same time, you can take these 2 fingers and then the thumb and then go right here. So here and then here. Now the third point, which is very, very important, is behind the ear. There is a bone which is called as the mastoid process. It's this area. So you want to go all the way up here and massage it. Okay, go here, massage it. So this is a very, very important point in the temporo-mandibular joint, which is ignored by a lot of people. So let's recap. For the TMJ, there are 3 points, the 3 Marma points that you're going to remember. One is right near the joint, one. And then you can also go in from inside, outside, this whole area. You can even massage right this area. Okay. Second one is this area. Okay, you're going to massage this. And the third one is this, the mastoid process. Okay. So I hope you were able to get some information about this and benefit from this. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. There's a lot of people, 92% of the women suffer from this, even men suffer from this. They could benefit from this massage, so please share this video. You would do them a lot more good. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.